Hi everyone, welcome to my Frosty's Kitchen YouTube channel. Here's a very short preview video of the heat trapper baffle door from NU2U products for the Arc XL pizza oven. You can see how perfectly this heat trapper fits the pizza oven. Notice the grip on the handle. It is certified restaurant grade, so will provide maximum protection from the extreme heat being produced from the oven when it is in use. Look carefully where the handle stem attaches to the heat trapper door. This special design locks the handle to the door in a way that makes it impossible to rotate while you hold it, providing safety and peace of mind. Why use a baffle door? The answer is simple. The time needed for the preheating phase drops dramatically, which saves you money because you will be using less propane, and times between pizzas will also be quicker. This baffle door has gone through rigorous testing and was designed with ventilation slots, so the pizza oven still has the perfect amount of oxygen, so the flame is not affected and still burns perfectly. You'll see more of this great product on more videos on my Bake Like a Pro YouTube channel. Thanks for watching and have a great day.